Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Krishna Ardiansyah Hermawan. I'm from 11th grade of Social Science 1. I would like to present my paper entitled The Phenomenon of Students' Behavior Racism Towards Their Integration in SMAN 1 Sumedang. The reason why I took this topic is because I want to know if racism exists in SMAN 1 Sumedang, since I saw that SMAN 1 Sumedang has many students with various physical characteristics. In addition, students of SMAN 1 Sumedang also come from various places in West Java or even outside Java. Okay, let's get started to the research background. The definition of racism is an understanding that views someone from their physical or racial characteristics, while the definition of integration is a system that experiences an assimilation to become a complete unity or unified whole. As we know, exaggerated racism will affect the division of individual so that it will fade the behavior of integration, which means unity itself. So here, I will discuss about the phenomenon of students' behavior of racism towards their integration in SMAN 1 Sumedang. Many students do not realize that racism is a problem that is quite dangerous and has a negative impact on a person concerned because it will make someone's mental down or even insecure, also will fade the confidence. This is very contrary with Indonesia's motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means unity in diversity. SMAN 1 Sumedang itself is a school with majority Muslim and Sundanese ethnic, but in minority, there are also another religion and ethnic. For example, every year, SMAN 1 Sumedang accepts students from Papua. Far from it, students of SMAN 1 Sumedang are already heterogeneous, not only from Java, but also from Sumatra, Sulawesi, etc. The problem of racism will be even greater if it's not resolved, because basically, the problem of racism is a problem that is often felt in school environment, consciously or unconsciously. I limit the issues that will be discussed in this paper, which are: first, what is the factors that affect racism in SMAN 1 Sumedang? Second, what is the impact of racism in SMAN 1 Sumedang? And the last, how to solve the problem of racism in SMAN 1 Sumedang? To answer those questions, let's move on to the second discussion. There are factors that cause racism in SMAN 1 Sumedang. SMAN 1 Sumedang has many diverse students. This is one of the basic factors that causing racism in SMAN 1 Sumedang. Therefore, it is not uncommon for us to see or hear students talking about physical problems to others, even if it's just a joke, but it's still not good. Well, from the data I got, the factors that caused racism in SMAN 1 Sumedang are differences, lack of understanding of heterogeneity, customs and culture, and excessive jokes. Of course, this is what makes unity fade, which we actually should prioritize equality over difference. Cultural diversity has always been considered insignificant for this problem. Judging from the data, there are examples of racism problem that is often found in SMAN 1 Sumedang. For example, when the teacher teaching about integrity material, there must be students comparing one students with dark skin with themselves or even with other students who have a lighter tone of skin. And then, there are different views for students from Papua. And refer to racist, there are mocking about body shape and skin tone. Move on to the second discussion, we will discuss about the impact of racism on the integration attitudes of students at SMAN 1 Sumedang. Something that happens must have a certain impact, so that's racism. But most racism has a negative impact. From the interview data, there are several impacts of racism, including: first, not confident. Racism won't make others confident, so that it will reduce the ability of someone to dare to act to be lazy, lack of motivation, and self-loathing. The second is depression. Depression is also an impact that may occur due to acts of racism. This can cause damage to a person's psychological due to experiencing severe stress. And the last is trauma. One of the effects of racism is trauma. A significant effect of trauma itself is the inability to maintain a healthy close relationship or choose the right person to be friends, so that it is easily triggered hostility. From the data above, it can be concluded that there are some negative and bad effects caused by racism, such as insecurity or not confident, depression, and trauma. So now, how to solve the problem of racism in SMA 1 Sumedang? Well, I did the online interviews to get the answer. From that interviews, I found several ways how to solve the problem of racism, especially in SMA 1 Sumedang. Number 1, we must have our own self-awareness that we are different. We must respect the differences that everyone has, not to make them different. Number 2, we have to uphold tolerance and integration. And the number 3 is often mingle with others, since the education that shapes the characters comes from the environment in which an individual first got along. The next one is conducting socialization regarding Indonesia as a unity in diversity, which means different but still one. Or we can actively join some seminar with the theme of unity or prevention of racism. And the last one is always being optimistic of someone and always be grateful. So that's all the discussion that I have examined. Now, last but not least, I will convey the conclusion and the suggestion of this scholarly paper. First, the conclusion is racism is one of the problems in SMA 1 Sumedang, which is caused by several factors. And on the other hand, it has a separate impact on the people who experience it. Racism can be felt or seen around the school, where each student has a different physical characteristics, and this is the beginning of the racism problems, which also causes the fading of tolerance. However, there are always ways to solve these racism problems. One of the basic way is self-awareness. Second, from all the things that I have said, the suggestion I can give relating to this problem are: Number 1, for students of SMA 1 Sumedang, as Indonesian people, we are required to aware and respect each other's differences because our motto is the same, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different but still one. Number 2, and for the pure researcher, they are expected to develop this research into a better and more beneficial for all of us. And number 3 is while for schools. Schools must always embrace the students so that there is no longer any discriminating physical problems of each student. Schools must also conduct more massive outreach on the issue of the racism problem in school. So, that's the presentation of my scholarly paper that I have examined. I'm very confident that this paper will be very useful for the reader. That's all from me. My apology for something that probably went wrong. And one final word from me is, let's all embrace each other and be diverse, be tolerant. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.